living there.
There's an American Standard Heritage 15 over there. Yeah, that's the only one. It's at the club. It's at a clubhouse at the Exeter pool.
So is that
And
a heat pump
the Exeter,
not?
it is a heat pump, and
really?
there's the Exeter pool closed. Right here. So this is what I was talking about. This apartment complex right here with all those Goodmans. See all those Goodmans and some of the Gibsons.
I mean, yeah, we used to live here.
We used to live in this area.
You don't remember if they were heat pumps or not. You didn't know what a heat pump was back then, did you?
No, I didn't know what it was back then until like the end of 2017.
Gotcha.
And I found a Defrost. And it was at the end of 2017. That was the first thing I ever. That was the first time I ever learned. Yeah, that was right when we moved to 18A. I didn't even know what a heat pump was until we moved to 18A, because that's the first time we had a heat pump when I was going to defrost and stuff like that.
Oh man, there's all sorts of feelings that are coming back to me right now. Just driving in here.
Yeah. This is where we used to live in 2000. So guys, this was actually where we used to live in 2017. If you remember, like a video way back in my channel, there was a video that said my old Gibson, central air conditioner running, or central air conditioner. I don't know.
All right, let's do this.
So I think that might be a heat pump. So I'm gonna go film it again. That was actually when I lived here when I filmed that Gibson.
We're gonna know pretty quick.
Yeah, there's a ton of Goodmans. Look at that. Look at that. There's a ton of Goodmans, Gibsons, and stuff like that.
All right, well, just don't creep anybody out. Because remember, the reason I didn't really want to come here is because it's gonna look like we're sneaking around. And
yeah.
We're gonna have to be right next to people's windows, and you're not 5 years old anymore, so it's not gonna be cute anymore.
And
so
that's where we used to live right there. So, yeah. Oh, I hear something running. So let's get out.
You're gonna know pretty quick if it's a heat pump or not.
Yeah. I hear something running. Oh yeah, there is something running. It's these little things. I don't even know what these are. High efficiency. Okay. What even is this? I think this is a Heil. These are heat pumps. These are vintage. These are vintage. Yeah, look at these. Here's a Garrison. I've never heard of this brand. It's Garrison. It's a heat pump, and it is from it's a Nordyne. It's from 2001. It's a 2-ton. These are vintage units. This one's the only one running. They got weird compressors. Here's an old Goodman.
None of these are on.
Goodman 13th SEER. Another vintage heat pump. Oh yeah, there's one over here that's on.
Man, it looks like somebody tried to take a bite out of that one.
Oh holy crap, this one's damaged.
That's odd.
Yo, look at this one. This one's damaged. Look at that.
And I remember there's a bunch of units over here where you used to play with your friends.
This one has got the old data sheet. It's from 2007,
yeah,
and
get electrocuted. Wires are hanging out.
Okay. This one's also a Goodman. This one's a Goodman from 2001. It's a 2-ton. This one's a Goodman. These are heat pumps. This one's running. Yeah. So.
There was a place that you used to play over here.
Oh, there's actually another Goodman. Oh wait, no. Oh, here's another Goodman. There's another old Goodman. Here's another Goodman. Oh, Charlie saw a squirrel. Oh, you just dropped your scarf. You just dropped your scarf. Your scarf.
Oh, there it is.
Wait, your scarf.
What?
Your scarf is over there.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, thanks.
Oh, Wait, actually... Oh, cool. This is a Nordyne. This is a very old Here we got a little Nordyne. It's got a Goodman reset, GE motor, and it's a heat pump. I like all these heat pumps. Oh yeah, I knew it. I knew all these would be heat pumps. This is a CPLE model, and it's 2-ton, and it's from 2001. It's also got a Goodman reset. Gotta be careful. I think these are larger for me. Yeah, tiny little Goodman right here. CPK, and it's a 1.5 ton. It's also from 2003. Got a few more. This Nordyne is running. Reversing it off. It's also got a reset. 2-ton from. Yeah. Here's a couple more vintage ones. Anyways. Dumpster right there. Carlos? Sorry. Goodman right here. The other one's kind of hacked. Oh, I did back Gibson. Damaged Gibson, actually. More Goodmans. They look newer. Right here. I was looking for you. I couldn't find you. Not wrong. Are a couple on? Oh wait, in the back.
There's a bunch of landmines over here.
This one.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Goodman.
This one's on.
Oh, this one's frozen.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, this one's frozen. Yes.
Is that ice? No, I think that's just like. I think it's just white.
No, it's just white. Oh wait, it just shut off. Freon hissing.
But yeah, there are a couple more on over here.
Oh, look at that. Someone dug up that concrete.
Yeah, they brought some mulch over to fill that in.
Oh. This one just turned on. Oh wait, no, this is a Nordyne. Look at the data sheet. It's a Nordyne. I think I remember filming these and I just didn't upload it. More here, more Goodmans. Oh, hey, look at that! This one just turned on. Sweet. I'm gonna do a startup and run. It's got a couple of scrolls, and there's some versions left. 13 sear. Just now started up, it's not long. It's from 2004. No, it's from 2008. It's a 2-ton. No. That was close. Why is this one hissing? Is this one that can defrost?
Oh, really?
Yo, this one's hit. This
weird.
This is a Nordyne. Oh wait, no, this is a Goodman.
This is a Goodman?
This is a Goodman. Why? Wait.
Yeah, get that caught on. Get that sound on camera.
Yo, what is this? You hear that hissing? Did it just shut off or is it in defrost?
That's very interesting.
Look at how. Geez, look at how old this one is. Wait, look at this one.
Oh God.
This one's an old round. This one's a vintage. Look at that panel, it's removed. Kind of.
Dude. I can't believe they're still using this.
Yeah, that's actually, here's a comfort range. Comfort range.
Who makes comfort range? Or that's the name of the company.
There's another Goodman that's rattling. Comfort range, Goodman, and a Garrison. Little comfort range. This one's running. It's got a reset. This one's very warm. 2-ton from 2004. And then this Garrison sounds kind of nice. I love the scroll sound. Did you hear that? Gentech fan motor. I think that's a reversing valve. That's a Copeland scroll. It's got a Copeland scroll. 2-ton from 2011. 2-ton from 2002. That scroll sound is nice. I like that. That Garrison sounds nice. Got more Goodmans. Oh. Wait, are you serious? This one was just defrosting. Look.
Oh, dude.
This one, look at that. Look at that. This one was just.
We literally just missed this.
Wait, but look, it's frozen.
That's not ice.
No, it is ice.
Can you actually feel it?
I can feel it.
I figured that go in there.
Look. That's ice.
It looks like.
No, that is ice. I know for a fact.
Why is it so?
This one's a 4-blade. Copeland scroll.
So why would it be?
Gee, that's air
How
so
come
dry.
you think there are these layers of ice going all the way down?
Because it's white.
No. I'm saying, why do you think it's so regular, the pattern?
Because.
And I'm not trying to argue with you, just scientifically.
It's
Is there something about the coils where it only heats up?
Yeah.
Like right above and below?
Yes. There's the reversing. Oh, there's a reversing valve. God, that air is so dry.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't even get the energy guide. Nice and warm. It's from 2017 and it's 2-ton. Yeah, 2-ton. This one's a 14 to 15 seer. These are 4 blades.
Okay, you can show there.
Oh, there's someone looking out. You're like, oh, there's someone looking out.
I heard something fire up. You're gonna go crazy over here. You're gonna keep hearing units firing on.
Wait, hold on. I heard one.
Don't lose your mind, man.
Did I just hear one going to defrost? I heard one. I might have heard a compressor making noise. I think I might have heard a compressor making noise. Oh, this comfort range turned on. Oh wait, no, that was the sound. I think I might have heard a compressor making noise. I said I think I might have heard a compressor making noise. Is one going defrost? Oh, it just turned off. Oh, this one just shut off. Yeah, I think I might have heard a compressor make a noise. Oh my gosh. Oh, sweet. What is one to defrost? This one could have went into defrost. This thing might kick on a defrost. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, the thing's defrosting. Yo! Dude, this one's actually kind of frozen a little bit.
Wow, you caught one.
I think that other sound was one kicking on. This one's defrosting. Wait, is this steaming? Oh, it is steaming. Oh, sweet. It's steaming. Look at this.
Oh yeah. Hey, I just saw a steam show.
Yeah, this one just shut off. I hope I can catch the steam. It's been so long since I've seen a steam show. Yo.
And maybe if I hit it with light, you'll be able to see it better.
There's someone out there. Okay.
No, it's not gonna help. I'm trying to get the angle so you can see it. Yeah, I don't see it.
It's gonna turn on. Hold on. I'm gonna wait for it to turn back on. There it goes. Heat mode.
Okay.
That was cool. That was cool. It's been so long since I've seen a steam show. It's been like since December 3rd that I've seen a steam show. That's so cool. Yeah,
I'm worried. Look, that person over there might be a little
sus about it.
out.
I don't know. That was cool. I caught that comfort.
You did something to it.
So we caught that comfort range heat pump defrosting. I'm gonna take a picture with my GoPro. Hold on. Let me take a picture. Alright, anyways, I caught that one defrosting. Awesome steam show. That's definitely gonna go up on YouTube. Full defrost. This one. Kind of Reynolds. Good heat pump heaven. See, I knew there was gonna be heat pump heaven. Oh, did I just hear one go to defrost? Duquesne's. Wait, hold on. I thought I heard one kicking the defrost over here. Fat Goodmans. Fat Goodmans. Heat pumps. Oh. This one's shut off. Oh, this one's got a solid layer of ice. Holy crap. That one just shut off. One over here was frozen just now.
Oh, really?
It's not running. It's not running. Don't worry about it. But there is. It's a comfort range. It's a comfort range. A lot of comfort ranges around here. I think that's actually what mine was. We got some Duquesne's. And then over here we got some Duquesne's. Duquesne's. Oh wait, no, these are Concords. And this one just shut off. These are Concords. Yo, one's hissing. I think this one just shut off. Concords. Let's go see. Are any of these running?
These ones have the sun facing.
Nah.
They're going to be a little bit warmer.
I think, yeah. None of these towards the sun.
Yeah, get the ones that are in the shade. Like, that's why the ones
Obviously, these Goodmans or that Garrison, that's not going to be running if it's in the sun like this. Goodman's and a Gibson. Oh wait, no, this is a Garrison. I think the ones in the shade might be a better bet, like Carlos was saying. I think there's some over here that also might be good candidates. Oh shoot, that was the place where we were last time. This was the place. Oh sweet! Another one just kicked in defrost. I think this one did. Wait. One kicked in defrost. I heard one kick in defrost.
Let's see what time it is.
Hold on.
9 o'clock.
That one over there just shut off. You know, this didn't kick in defrost. Wait, hold on.
When that goes off, we're out of here.
Let's go check on ours.
Alright, and that's it. You set the timer for 5 minutes.
Check on these one more time. This one shut off. 5 minutes? Yeah, this thing is so old. This one's making some weird sound. No. This one's defrosting. Sweet. It's in defrost. This Goodman just kicked in defrost.
So the question is there any more ice?
I'm checking. Oh, it's actually kind of frozen. It's got a reset.
I'm hearing these things firing on everywhere.
Yeah, this one's in defrost right now. Is it steaming? Thought I saw steam for a second. I don't think this is just a dry defrost cycle, but that comfort range was cool.
Who would have known the comfort range?
Why is this one hissing so much? Does this one have a leak?
This one or...
This one's hissing.
I think it's this one.
Yeah, this one's hissing. This one's defrosting. That one's hissing. Does that one have like a leak or something? Jeez. Oh wait. No, there wasn't anything.
Let's see.
Yeah, I knew it was just gonna kind of be a dry defrost cycle.
3 minutes, 16 seconds.
All right, let's go. Let's go back. I'm not gonna worry about the frost.
Come on, Charlie. Yeah, the dog's starting to get pretty tired. He's gonna need to sleep a lot.
I think one over there just shut off. But whatever.
He's gonna need to sleep.
Goodman there just turned on. Let's check on ours and then we're gonna leave.
Check on what?
Check on ours old one, and then we're gonna leave.
Right.
Cool, I got a comfort range and a Goodman. It's a newer Goodman, I think. This was our area, and we lived like somewhere in the back up there. Comfort ranges. This is like ours. Oh, man. Can hear this Goodman is running. All right.
Ooh, yeah, no way. These things are running.
Yeah, these are. Oh, these are in the sun.
Yeah, no way.
Dude, hold on. Where's our Gibson? Or a comfort range? I know.
1 minute, 4 seconds.
Uh. I think this was ours. Right here. This one. These are all in the sun. Comfort range. Oh, I think all three of these Goodmans are running. All three of these are running. This one has a Copeland scroll. That fan is so powerful it's making me go like this. There's the reversing valve. Jeez. Oh, this one just shut off. There's got a Copeland scroll. This one's from 2017. It's a. Alright. Oh wait, we're done? Wait, really?
There's nothing else here.
There is some others.
You already got all the good ones.
Wait a minute.
I think we're good, man.
One here's hissing.
I think we're good on the good ones.
The Goodmans? Alright, let's head back. But if one goes into defrost. None of those Goodmans are.
We are up 37 actually. Wow.
How are we even getting defrost?
Goes to show you that
If I hear one going to defrost in the shade.
even if it's above freezing, man, people do not give a crap about cleaning their dog's crap. That is so.
Alright, I'm gonna take a look. One last look. Second.
This would have been a really good place to look.
Let's look. I'm just gonna look. And then none of these Goodmans are running.
Man, I remember walking here.
Oh! Holy crap, that dog scared me. Garrison. This one's got a Copeland scroll. Little comfort range. Another one of those comfort ranges running.
This apartment complex is replacing all their units one by one.
Whoa, why is one buzzing?
The old ones that ran.
This is a Garrison. This Garrison is having problems. Garrison. Whatever. I think there's Garrisons. Sorry if I call them Garrisons, they're Garrisons. Another comfort range and another Garrison. Goodman. Why is that looking new?
I never even heard of Garrison before today.
More Goodmans. These look newer, but these aren't running.
These ones in the shade are seriously the last ones.
Yeah, they are. We're just gonna go. Yep, these are our last defrosts and this one's last few. Two more comfort ranges and one last Garrison. The logo's on the side. There it is. Garrison heating and cooling products. Oh, no! Wait, look. This one has a reciprocating. This one has a new. It got replaced with a reciprocating. That reciprocating looks new.
Reciprocating fan or what?
A reciprocating compressor. That compressor looks like it got replaced. It looks new. You see? It looks shiny.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Holy crap. Alright. We're going back. That's it. We got all our defrost for winter. Now we're gonna enter cooling season.
High five. That was a good way to end the season.
Yep. Yep, good way in the season. We're gonna go home. We're gonna go home now.
You never know. We may end up getting a little bit more cold weather next weekend. You never know.
Yeah. This may not be the last different winter video.
But you never know.
But if it is, I'll just say it was a good winter. With the frosts.
You put up a lot of videos this winter.
Yep.
You learned a lot about how to do all this.
Yep.
Your channel's just gonna keep getting better and better.
Yep. I got like 69 or 70 subs right now.
How many?
69 or 70. Oh, there's a lot of gravel. That's a lot of gravel, Goodman. These are the really old vintage ones. They're mallet. Alright. Well, I guess come back to these one last time. And I guess over out. Wait, hold on. What is this? What is one? This is a very loud Goodman. What? Yo, wait, what? This has a Nordyne panel. That one has a different panel. That one's weird.
Yeah, keep it to your GoPro.
Alright, well, there you have it. That was all the heat pumps for the winter. Sure. Yeah. Yep. I don't know if this is actually going to be our last one. We might have, if we have a cold weekend again, we'll probably do it again. But
Yeah, we'll come out again.
for now, oh sweet. Actually, no, not over and out. Defrost. Oh, wait a minute. It was this one exiting. Dang it. Whatever. We had a pretty good defrost season. Next season. Hope that it'll be better. Anyways. Over and out. See you in cooling season or one last frost season. Alright, anyways. Over and out. Goodbye, winter. Oh, here's some ice.
Crazy. I can't believe
Look at this. This one just shut off and wait, look at my hand.
I might go into defrost.
No, that just shut off. Look at that. Handprint. I just did another one. Anyways.
Shut off completely.
Yeah.
That is really freaking surprising. I did not expect one of these ones that have ice on it that much.
Yeah. Anyways.
Maybe its defrost cycle is not working properly.
It's pretty old.
You think that's what's going on with that?
Yeah. Anyways, actual over and out. Goodbye, winter.